Hello, everybody. Welcome to GQUAT Traditions, Connecticut 6B Gardening Zone. We started the planter HGC grow off on February 1st. We planted parsley, thyme, echinacea, basil, Thai basil, but the scallions, sage, and tooth eggplant died. On the 6th of February, my sister, Yankee sister, gave me a stevia plant that she started on February 6th in a purple pot, but she's not getting that one back because we both love purple. Isn't she lovely? Oh, I pinched the top off though so that I could try to propagate it. Hope I end up with two plants instead of 0. So, moving right along to the new updates on May the 1st. Really, I get started here in Connecticut. And I started in one hydroponic garden. I started it's all peppers. I started poblano, jalapeno, a mystery pepper from Mike's Chaotic Gardening, salsa blend, and cayenne peppers, all hot. Okay, then in the other garden, I planted purple basil, common thyme, black cumin, calendula mix, mullein, and borage. Sometimes I call it burdock because that's what's on the planter. And then, moving right along, I wanted more food. So in this big 12-pot one, I put black cherry tomatoes, loofah, lemon balm, stevia, birdhouse gourds, lavender, eggplant, banana peppers, patty pan squash, tiny Tim tomatoes, butternut squash, and sugar baby melons. I'm still going to plant stuff in the soil, and I don't know if you consider flowers an herb or not, but I do make food out of them. So on May 3rd, which was yesterday, I planted French marigolds, nasturtiums, red poppies, indoor spider plant, zinnias, cosmos, wild sunflowers, and some of Mommy's little purple flowers. They have white stems. I never did know what to do with them. And yes, I planted dandelions. All those years I spent digging them up, throwing them away. Now that I know they're medicine, I am using them and saving the seeds for others who may not have any weeds where they're growing. Look at all of this. Look at all this. I'm so excited. So there are the ones going in the soil. Planted those. Oh, I used kitty fruit cups turned upside down for moisture barriers. Don't throw those fruit cups away. Then it was time to go outside to my community garden. There's the garlic that sprouted indoors. Got it planted. I hope the squirrels will let me be great this year. All right, thanks for coming. Peace, love, and blessings. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.